Hello viewers, today's our topic about how to add a feature image to blog post. Now you can see these posts have no image. So how we can do it? Go to the dashboard, go to the post, and the post you can select the post to add the image. I select this one. When the post is open, then go to the bottom, and here is the feature image. Set the feature image. Click on the set featured image and select the image and set feature image. Okay, and then update. Click on update. After updating, you can see the blog. Here will be add the image. Now I am refreshing the page to here. You can see the image of the blog post. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.